I hope you have done first two questions, 1 and 2 already you have done. Na? Okay, let's come to question number 3. Let's see how we can do this one. What has been given for question number 3? Here, that name of the triangle will be PQR. It has been given in your question. Then PQ, the length of PQ will be 4 cm, QR will be 3.5 cm and PR will be 4 cm. Based on that, I have drawn one rough sketch. That means it's not actual one. Okay, now first we will take the base which I have considered here, that is QR, and its length is equal to 3.5 cm. Okay, let's take the length of 3.5 cm. Be careful while you are measuring the length of the side. It will be 3.5 cm. Yes, I have got 3.5 cm. This is the point. I have put 2 points over there. Yes, this is the length of 3.5 cm. You can see, name it Q and R, that 2 points. These are the 2 points. Now, the another 2 sides, that will be first one is PQ and PR. Both of them are 4 cm. Okay, so if I am taking the measure once only, then also I can do. Let's see, I have to take 4 cm. Set your compass properly. Actually, I have to take that arc whose radius will be 4 cm. Yes, yes, I have got exactly 4 cm. Yes, now QP, that is 4 cm. Come to point Q and take the arc which is measured as 4 cm. Yes, now another one is RP. It is also 4 cm. Both of them are 4 cm. I have taken. Yes, this one and this one. I have got one intersection point, and name of that intersection point is P. Let's name this one as P. Okay, now I will add P and Q. Okay, let's add PQ. See, it is exactly 4 cm. You need to draw these things, that it should be, that measure should be perfect one, then only you will get the exact one. Yes, 4 cm. You can extend it, no issue, but that intersection point should be the exact one. Okay, for this side also, let me come to that. Yes, it is also exactly 4 cm I am getting. Okay, you can extend it, no issue for that. Okay, now here, if you, for the cross check, if you will measure this one, you will get that the intersection point, that is equal to P, that P will be exactly 4 cm. So here in this case, this is QR, that is 3.5 cm, PQ is equal to 4 cm, and PR, that is also 4 cm. Okay, after completing question number 3, let's come to question number 4. Okay, when you have constructed question number 3, that given length has been given, for that you was asked that what type of triangle you have got. You tell me what type of triangle is it. You might have noticed that 2 sides are equal. So what will be the type of this triangle? It will be isosceles triangle. Okay, it is an isosceles triangle. Now come to the question number 4. Here, that side has been given for the three side of the triangle ABC has been given, and based on that I have drawn one rough sketch. Okay, here the BC, that base I have taken 6 cm. Okay, let's do this one in the actual construction. First I will take a length for the BC, that is equal to 6 cm. Yes, it is 6 cm. Yes, let me mark it as B and C. These are the 2 end points. Now AB will be 2.5 cm. So for that I have to measure 2.5 cm. Okay, let's come to that part. It will be 2.5 cm. Yes, by putting the compass, you have to take this one. That means the radius of the arc, it will be 2.5 cm. Yes, see, you must follow this one carefully. It is 2.5 cm. Done. Now the another side that has been given 6.5 centimeter, that means AC. The intersection point you will get, that will be A. So its length will be 6.5 centimeter. Okay, let's come to 6.5 centimeter. Measure it properly. That measurement should be perfect one, otherwise your construction will be not the correct one. Okay, now that is AC, that means from C I will take. I am going in search of A. The intersection point where I have got, that will be the A. Yes, I have got one intersection on these two arcs. Let's name this one as A. That intersection named as A. Here I will join AB. Let's join them. Be careful while you are putting the dot on the intersection, otherwise your measure might be disturbed. Okay, yes, I got it. Here it is AB. Okay, and this one it will be AC. Let's add it. Yes, from the intersection point, make your pencils always, it should be sharp one, otherwise you will not get the perfect point. Yes, AC. Here let's take the measure also. Okay, for the cross check, AC was given how much? 6.5 centimeter. See, follow it. Here it is exactly 6.5 centimeter you are getting. Yes or no? See, check it. Now BC was how much? 6 centimeter. Let's check. Yes, exactly 6 centimeter. And AB was 2.5 centimeter. Okay, let's check. Yes, 2.5 centimeter. Now you have asked what is the measure of the angle B. Here your question was there, what will be the measure of angle B? You tell me what it can be. Okay, let's prove it. You know na, by the set square you can say by this angle that it is 90 degree. Yes or no? See, it exactly set over there, so that angle is 90 degree. Understood? So here we can write, without any doubt we can write it is equal to 90 degree. That means angle B is 90 degree. So what type of triangle you have got here? It's a right angle triangle. Okay, I hope you can complete all these 4 questions I have done, and you can take support from here. Okay, all the best.